Good morning guys, good morning from Hassan Highway. I hope you guys are doing great. So today is Independence Day, so happy Independence Day to all of you. Just fill up my tank. So this highway is one of the best highway in Karnataka, I would say. Chal. All right, so we have done around 100 kilometers and we stopped here for tea. Another 120 kilometers, I guess, to that church. Right now the church is underwater, but it's okay, we will see about that. Nothing much to show here. We just have to zip through this traffic. There are too many bikers because obviously last 12 kilometers left, and finally I got some twisties, you know, after so many days, man. Like, we have been riding on straight boring highways for like last 4-5 hours, but now it's twisties, but we need to hold our horses. These last 3 kilometers, I guess, will be a little bit of painful because road conditions are not good. Lot of potholes. Okay, auntie. So GPS auntie is telling that in 300 meters I have to take left. Guys, look at this place, man. It's a lake, but look at the size of it, man. Actually, the church is completely submerged under the water. So we will stop here because it's raining heavily. भाई क्या है ये समुंदर? So there is that church. Now it completely submerged underwater. So basically, when there is no rain in the summertime, the church will come out because the water level will go down. But during monsoon, it completely goes underwater. So that is like the top part of the church that is visible, and it's raining heavily. How do you feel about this place?
फिलहाल तो मेरा अभी GoPro का बैटरी डाउन हो गया.
Oh fuck. Vinod.
below dam.
All right. So there was a cop who told us to leave the place because a lot of people started to come in, and we can understand that because right now the situation, you know, I don't have to tell all of those. Whatever it is, now the plan is that we will ride around a bit. We'll enjoy this place, the ghat section and stuff. We'll click some more pictures and then probably we'll head back. So yeah, जब तक कोविड कम्प्लीटली ओवर नहीं हो जाता तब तक प्रॉपर एडवेंचर वाला राइड नहीं होगा.